Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, Salishamo here. Well, I wanted to go down there, but I still have some battery left. So I thought, here is some off-roading, so why not just try it here? Looks like a good place to play a bit with my Mad Monster. Bigger is better in this sense because you say these big tires can actually handle things really well. It's absolutely a sweet spot to play. I'm killing the plants. Yeah, baby. I really want to have some jumps, and you know, some slow motion here will be very beautiful. Dust coming up, some dust, and I cannot tolerate much dust actually. Ooh, the sound of this beast's tires, man, it's absolutely nice. Beautiful, man, beautiful. The way it's just shredding through everything. Look at that.
Shoes, world on my shoulders, heart full of blues. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt. I've been a real bad boy on the town all night. Starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt. Been a real bad boy.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?